Yes, I know. It's been quite some time since the previous vlog. I had some issues that I wanted to sort out before diving into making videos again. I wanted to shoot this video because I've just received a package from Toman. I bought a couple of things. Again. Because my Shelford is still in service, I wanted a nice preamp, and because I do have, if you remember from a couple of years ago, like a 500 series rack, I have it installed, and I also added this beautiful rack from Zaor. And in this box right here, I have a preamp, a Derresser, and a couple other things. I believe I have some cables and something like that. Let me open up the box. A couple of really short cables. I believe these are half a meter, something like that, maybe 20 centimeters. Really short cables for the 500 series, because I believe that I will be using the modules one after the other. Derresser from Empirical Labs. I always wanted a Derresser in my vocal chain for YouTube. Even though it sounds crazy, it actually takes some time to post-process the vocals for the vlogs, for the tutorials. This is a small investment that will be on the vocal chain. This is a really basic module, a basic Derresser that also does some top-end limiting. Maybe I will get a pair for it. Since I am a big fan of Elysia stuff, I've decided, because I needed a preamp, to buy their Skulptor module. This is what I have here. I don't know why I didn't get one faster, because on paper this thing is pretty amazing, and I will tell you why in a second. So this it's not just a preamp, it's the Skulptor. This is how it looks. This thing is a mini channel strip in one unit for the 500 rack. So you basically have a filter, low cut, amazing. You have a compressor. It's a one knob compressor, and you also have a shape knob. This shape knob, shape knob right here, it's basically an EQ and a saturator. Two shapes with different curves on the EQ and different curves on the saturation, I believe. Sounds really promising if you think about it. Again, the quality really nice on the knobs. I'm blown away by the quality. I got this for the voiceover on YouTube, but I also want to use this to process vocals. Another thing that I bought are these plates for 500 series. This small metal plates are just so expensive. I really don't understand why. It's funny to me how a small thing like this is so expensive. Let me install everything in the rack. I will probably talk to you after that. Everything is working perfectly. I just have to spend a couple of days testing out both the Skulptor and the Derresser. So far so good. I enjoy the Skulptor a lot. On the voiceover, as you can see, I did some testing. It sounds pretty cool. So the features that are present on the Skulptor 500 from Elysia are just insane. I will have a demo sometimes in the near future, but this is it for now. I will talk to you guys soon, really soon. Cheers. As you probably know, I am in the process of selling gear, purchasing new gear, and one thing that regret selling in the past is my WesAudio 500 series modules. When I saw that WesAudio released a limited edition for the Dion, the Ukraine edition, and all the proceeds will be donated to support the people of Ukraine, then I've decided to jump at the opportunity and get one myself. This will be a short unboxing. This is an analog compressor, but it has digital control. Let me take it out. Dion, Ukraine. It's the same compressor, but it has this beautiful blue and yellow with the Ukraine flag on it. Right now I want to put it in the rack. I will have a video on it sometimes in the future. That's it for this video. Man, I really like the color.